Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Are you going to work now? Are you going to work now? Yes, I am going to work. Yes, I am going to work. Do you work in this office? Do you work in this office? Yes, I work in this office. Yes, I work in this office. Do you like your job? Do you like your job? Yes, I like my job. Yes, I like my job. Do you walk to work? Do you walk to work? Yes, I usually walk to work. I usually walk to work. Is your home near the office? Is your home near the office? Yes, my home is near the office. Yes, my home is near the office. Is the meeting important? Is the meeting important? Yes, is it very important? Yes, is it very important? Do you work with many people? Do you work with many people? Yes, I work with many people. Yes, I work with many people. Do you eat lunch at the office? Do you eat lunch at the office? Yes, I eat lunch at the office. Yes, I eat lunch at the office. What do you eat for lunch? What do you eat for lunch? I usually eat a sandwich. Do you start work at 9? Do you start work at 9? Yes, I start work in at 9. Yes, I start work in at 9. Do you like reading books? Do you like reading books? Yes, I like reading books. Yes, I like reading books. Do you like working in the park? Do you like working in the park? Yes, it is relaxing. Yes, it is relaxing. Is this park beautiful? Is this park beautiful? Yes, it is very beautiful. Yes, it is very beautiful. Do you have many tasks today? Do you have many tasks today? Is your boss friendly? Is your boss friendly? Yes, my boss is friendly. Yes, my boss is friendly. Do you enjoy working here? Do you enjoy working here? Yes, I enjoy working here. Yes, I enjoy working here. Is English difficult for you? Is English difficult for you? It is a little difficult. It is a little difficult. Do you practice English every day? Do you practice English every day? Yes, I practice every day. Yes, I practice every day. Do you like speaking English? Do you like speaking English? Yes, I like speaking English. Yes, I like speaking English. Are you happy today? Are you happy today? Yes, I am very happy. Yes, I am very happy. Do you like movies? Do you like movies? Yes, I like movies. Yes, I like movies. Do you like action movies? Do you like action movies? Yes, action movies are exciting. Yes, action movies are exciting. Do you like traveling? Do you like traveling? Yes, I love traveling. Yes, I love traveling. Do you travel often? Do you travel often? Yes, sometimes I travel. Yes, sometimes I travel. Do you like trains? Do you like trains? Yes, trains are comfortable. Yes, train are comfortable. Do you like your city? Do you like your city? Yes, I like my city. Yes, I like my city.